In this video, I will show you how you can play Monopoly Go with your friends. First, what you need to do is you need to install Monopoly Go from the App Store. Once it's downloaded, you should go into Monopoly Go, and once you're logged in, you should see a little button in the bottom right that says Friends. So click on it. From in here, you can check your contacts, or you can choose Facebook, or you can press the invite button. If you choose contacts, you will see the contacts in your phone and you can send them a link. If it's Facebook, it will be your Facebook friends if you connect your Facebook account. And if you press invite, you will get a link that you can send to people. Then if they click on the link, they will join you. So actually it's super simple. You just have to download the app, log in, press the friends button, and then you choose one of the three options down below. Thanks for watching.